Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see the OS model in Python. So let me show you what is the purpose of this OS model. Let me open idle Python. I'm opening that. So now, okay. So here you can see we already just saw how to print, how to use that string and data types, everything we have seen it. Now one more thing is like if there is any model in Python we have to use it import. So this command and OS. So why we are using this OS is like we want to see the current path, system path. We want to see the current directory. We want to list out the directories. It's like files and directories functionalities. Let me show you now. So here if you see that idle cell, you don't know which path currently it is coming from. So this kind of informations this OS will provide. So how to use OS is like first we have to import that model. Import OS. Now OS dot get CWT. It will show you what is the current path. So currently this Python we installed in this folder. This is what here it is showing to you. So this kind of informations you can receive it. Now if you want to change the directory from this path to some other path, you want to change it, then the command is like import OS, or else not needed because already we used it. OS, then CH AAR, and then path name. So path name is like I need to go to the tutorial folder like this. Now if you see this, now you can use it get CWT, and you can see we are currently in tutorial. So earlier we are used in Python. Now we change to tutorial path. So now I'll show you here is like in this tutorial, this is our desktop tutorial model. This is what Python. I want to create a folder here, right? So how to create a folder? Let's see now. Go to the just idle. Now currently you are in tutorial model. Now you want to create a directory. Now see this os.mkdir. Now you want to create the directory. I just copy this and then slash test folder like this. I want to create a directory, or else I'll say like the OS model like this. I want to create a directory. Let's see how it's created. Okay, so it should be like double quotes might be. Let's see this. If not, then we can try to some other format. Let's see this now. mkdir c drive and then OS model. Okay, so it's a double quotes, not a single quotes. So here you can see this OS model has been created here. Now we have created a directory like this. Now if you want to remove, you can remove it by using rmdir. But you want to list out what are the files available in your system. For example, we go to Python. So here these many files are there. I want to see here. Let's see how to see this. For that we are using list dir os dot. So now I will remove this rmdir. I'll remove this directory. Let's see how it works. And then so it's removed. So rm directory, it's removing the directory, and mkdir is the making a directory or creating a directory. Now listing the directory. Let's see, listing dir, and then I can say like I'll simply put it like this. For this also I will use it double quotes. Then okay, for now I think, let's see, so sometimes the single quotes double quotes may create an issue. It's fine. Let's see, list out the directory. Okay, I think this might be the issue. Yeah, so here you can see in this tutorial you can see this file and files folder and img and python and everything. So this is what you can list out here. Now you want to remove some file. So if you want to create a file, I will tell you later, but if you want to remove a file, let's see how to remove it. um, Here itself I am creating one test file, test.txt, and then I'll remove like os dot remove, and then double quotes, and then this file slash test.txt double quotes. Let's see. Okay, the file has gone now. So like this, you have to remove a file and adding a file and writing a file, that we can see it in the files and um, file system manager. But here now you can see it. I just created a file manually, and then I just showed you how it is working like this. Then I'll show you what is the OS name. Want to see it? OS dot name. Let's see. OS dot name. Yeah. So it's like something. This is what the name OS is currently using. NT, like this. Now the list directory itself. Let's see. Just type it like this. Here itself, it will display all, like currently where we are in, and list out that directory files. Now if we want to change it, see, change directory, I'll go to that scripts folder. Let's see, just trying this. Now os.getcwt. Now we are in scripts folder. Now os list dir. Let's see. So no, currently we are in script folder. In script folder we have two files. This is what it is listing down here, and we will see some more details in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.